Hello students, previously I have explained to you the concept of the ionic radii and variation in the size of the anion, cation and neutral atoms. Clear? And if we have to talk for the variation in the size of the ions as we are moving from left to right, means along a period or down the group, the trends will going to remain the same as we have learned in case of the atomic radius. If the charge on the atoms will be same, for example, for the first group elements, if we have learned that on moving from top to bottom the size will going to increase, and if we are taking all the group first elements with plus charge, that is one positive charge, then overall trend will going to remain same. If the charge on the elements will going to remain same, then the trends we have to follow in a same way as we have discussed in case of the atomic radius. Clear? Now we have to start with the next concept, that is the variation of the size in an isoelectronic species. Here we have to talk about the type of the ions where the types of the different elements with different atomic numbers, but sometimes they are having same number of electrons while carrying different types of the charges. So in detail we are going to discuss it here. Firstly we will see the definition. Isoelectronic ions are the ions of different elements which have same number of electrons but differ from one another in magnitude of their nuclear charge, means charge they will going to carry the different types. For example, in case of chlorine, sulfur and argon, here chlorine will going to carry, because atomic number of chlorine is 17. Clear? So if atomic number for chlorine is 17 and here the charge on the chlorine is 0, that is it is present in the neutral form. Clear? And for sulfur the charge is of 1 minus. Clear? And generally the atomic number of the sulfur is 16. If I am adding 1 electron in it, then it will going to behave like chlorine while having the 17 electrons. And same in case of argon. Generally the atomic number of argon is 18. If I am going to lose 1 electron from the argon, for argon if the number of electron initially is 18, I am losing 1 electron, then again the number of electron present in it will be 17. So now all these species are behaving like isoelectronic because they all have the same number of electrons, that is the 17. And if I have to talk for the order of size for these type of the ions, then how I can answer it, or how I can make the order for the size of the isoelectronic species. So note, the size of the isoelectronic species is inversely proportional to its atomic number, means more is the atomic number, lesser will be its size. Clearly? So that's why argon is smaller in size as compared to chlorine, and chlorine is smaller in size as compared to sulfur. Clear? Because the atomic number for chlorine is 17 and for sulfur is 16 and for argon is 18. So more the atomic number, lesser will be its size. Clear? And same again we can understand that with the second example, that is in case of aluminium having +3 charge and magnesium will going to carry +2 and sodium plus. Generally the atomic number of aluminium is 13. Clear? And with while losing 3 electron, the number of electron will going to remain, that will be 10 only. Clear? And in magnesium again from 12 it will going to show only 10 electrons after losing the 2 electrons. And for sodium from 11 to after losing 1 electron the number of electron become 10. And for fluorine with minus charge means initially atomic number is 9, it has to gain 1 electron and now the number of electron will become 10. For oxygen atomic number 8, on adding 2 electron the number of electron will become 10. For nitrogen, initially atomic number 7, number of electrons 7, and on adding the 3 electrons, the number of electron increases up to the 10. Clear? So total number of electron in each case will become 10. So all these species are behaving like the isoelectronic species, and now I have to set the order for the size of these type of the ions. So as I have discussed earlier, more the atomic number, lesser will be the size. Clear? So aluminium is lesser in size as compared to magnesium. Magnesium will be smaller than sodium, and sodium will be smaller than fluorine, and again fluorine will be having the less size as compared to oxygen, and then nitrogen. Clear? So with this, our today's topic of isoelectronic species is completed. If you are having any doubt, then you can ask me anytime. Thank you.